Hey everybody, good morning. This is Shashank. This is my Nexon, which is 15 days old. Unfortunately, I came across a minor incident where my right fender touched to Hero Honda's carrier, and a little bit of dent had occurred. And it was obviously eye-catching, and people were kind of started teasing me, and I was like pushing it further and further because since it's a new car, I didn't want to get that tinkering done by anybody, for the obvious reasons. I got to know about Kumar's activities and his work, the quality of work he is being providing. Then I thought, let me come down to him and get my car handled by him, taken care by him, tinkered by him, and repainted. And he has done a tremendous work, absolutely superb work he has done. I could not even find where was the dent earlier and where is it now. It's absolutely a great work done by him, and I'm completely satisfied. I wish him, continue doing the same work again for everybody who are in the need, and I wish him all the very best. Thank you very much for your work. I'm very much satisfied.